Something of largest number. Krishna, you also just focus on the board down. No one will touch the pen, pencil, everything put that down. Pen, pencil, everything down. Now just see here in circle. In circle. In circle means gola lagana. What's the meaning of in circle, Anu? In circle means gola lagana. So in circle the largest number. Largest number means सबसे बड़ी संख्या. Largest number means सबसे बड़ी संख्या. So what's the question? Encircle the largest number. That means first of all we have to find out the largest number. सबसे बड़ी संख्या को ढूंढना है और उसमें गोला लगाना है. Clear ना? See one example. Suppose one number is 9, then 5, then 2, then 1, then 0, then 11, then 99. Okay, this is the number. First number is what? 9. Second number is 5. Third number is 2. And after that 1. Next number is 0. The next number is 11. And the next number is 99. We have to encircle which number? Largest number. Largest number means सबसे बड़ी संख्या. So which one is the largest number here? 9. Which one is the largest number? सबसे बड़ी संख्या कौन सी है? 99. So we have to encircle the largest number and this is the answer. Clear na largest number? Okay. Now see the second question. Encircle. Again encircle means gola lagana. What's the meaning of encircle? Gola lagana. Encircle means gola lagana. Encircle the smallest. Smallest means सबसे छोटी संख्या. Smallest means सबसे छोटी संख्या. Is this clear? Encircle the smallest number. Encircle the smallest number means सबसे छोटी संख्या पर गोला लगाओ. So again just see one example. Example means उदाहरण. Example means उदाहरण. Example means उदाहरण. So see one question. First number is 9, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 5. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the question? Encircle. Encircle means gola lagana. Encircle the smallest. Smallest means सबसे छोटी संख्या. Encircle the smallest number. सबसे छोटी संख्या पर गोला लगाओ. So which one is the smallest number? Which one is the smallest number? 1. So we have to encircle 1. Is this clear? Question is clear now? Encircle the largest number. Encircle the largest number means सबसे बड़ी संख्या पर गोला लगाओ. And encircle the smallest number. Smallest number means सबसे छोटी संख्या. Encircle the smallest number means सबसे छोटी संख्या पर गोला लगाओ. Clear guys? Encircle means what? Encircle means gola lagana. What's the spelling of encircle? E-N-C-I-R-C-L-E. E-N-N-C-I-R sir. Insert C-L-E cal. Encircle. Encircle means what's the meaning of encircle, Anu? Encircle means gola lagao. So encircle the सबसे बड़ी संख्या largest. सबसे बड़ी संख्या encircle the largest number and second encircle the smallest. Smallest means सबसे छोटी संख्या या सबसे छोटा. Smallest means सबसे छोटा, and largest means सबसे बड़ा. Smallest means smallest, 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 smallest means सबसे छोटी संख्या, and largest, LAR, GEST, largest number means सबसे बड़ी संख्या, smallest number सबसे छोटी संख्या. Let's see one example. This is what tree, one tree. This is second tree, and this is third tree. How many trees are here? कितने tree है? 1, 2, 3. So first of all we have to encircle the largest one. Largest means सबसे बड़ा. Largest means सबसे बड़ा. And encircle means गोला लगाना. So first of all we will encircle the largest one. सबसे पहले किसमें गोला लगाएंगे? Largest means सबसे बड़ा. So encircle the largest one. Which one is largest? This one or this one? First, second or third? Second. So this one is largest tree. Write down here largest. LARGEST. Largest means सबसे बड़ा. Now we have to encircle the smallest one. What's the meaning of smallest? सबसे छोटा. Smallest means what, Anu? सबसे छोटा. And encircle means Krishna, encircle means गोला लगाना. Encircle means गोला लगाना. And smallest means सबसे छोटा. Smallest means and largest means सबसे बड़ा. Largest one completed. Now we have to encircle the smallest one. अब किसमें गोला लगाना है? Smallest one means सबसे छोटा. So which one is the smallest? This one or this one? Third. So we have to encircle the third one. And what we will write down? Smallest or largest? Smallest. SMA is small. Double LEST, least.